Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to clean up some of these bricks that's over here. I've been working on the garage there, pouring concrete. Here's my bags here. I've been using the concrete and been pouring the walls in the garage to fill the cells with concrete to make it sturdier. Been putting rebar in there, but we're going to take a break from that and we're going to get these blocks picked up, thrown in the dumpster, and address some of the stuff that's out back. Maybe try to get the slope a little bit better. It's been rainy out here, so it's a muddy mess back there. So we'll get the tractor started up and so it can start warming up, and we'll go through the process of cleaning stuff up. Here's the mess that we have. We have a mess there, mess going up there and around the backside. We'll get all that cleaned up today. Now's a good time to check the oil on this here, just to make sure we're good. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. This thing's heavy. Where's my gloves? See, I mortared a lot of the joints. I took the grinder and grinded the joints out and repaired a bunch of them all the way around. I don't know if you can tell, but I got anchor bolts in there where we poured concrete. Going good. hurt myself. I hurt my back a couple of days ago pretty good. So if you see me lifting stuff weird, that's why. Well, if you're thinking about getting into homesteading because you think you're going to relax, don't. It's a lot of work.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright.
Could you guys imagine doing this without a tractor? I wouldn't be able to. It'd be insane. The tractor's definitely earned its keep here. It's a vital piece of equipment. All right, I'll carry on.
I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't.
So what I'm going to attempt to do is get some of this mud cleaned up down here that's on the ground here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's extremely muddy, and we want it to at least slope to where it's going to drain a little bit. We don't need it to be piling up like that. It's no good for what we were wanting. So I'm going to attempt to get it to drain. Maybe have to clean out a ditch or two. Let me show you that. This is what we was talking about. We wanted to try to clean up a little bit, and we want it to go that way, out that way. So I might have to clean this ditch that's right here, clean it out a little bit, but we'll get after it and see what we can do.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise.
Almost pushed the little tractor to its limits. It's really not meant to be pushing cutting earth or anything like that, but it did all right. It did its job. But here, let me turn you around so you can see it. Started up top here and then got it sloped down that way. Still got to figure something out for down there, drain out or something like that. We have a little ditch there, but I had to drain it, or slope it more so the water wouldn't stay stagnant up here at this top end. But like before, it's not finished. It's gonna rain tomorrow, so we'll see how it works. It's not compacted, so I mean, if we come back here messing around, it's gonna be muddy again. So we'll try to stay out from back here. I'm going to try to punch out right there underneath the fence there. I have a little drainage ditch going out there, but you know, cutting it down further, we're gonna have to dig it down even more than what it is. So, well, anyways, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.